Hello everybody, today we are going to see Erba Mannheim's Excel system pack of total protein. So this is the top and the front side view of the kit, and you can find it here. This is the total protein kit of catalog number 11174. The pack has a 5 into 6 ml pack. This is C certified and it needs to be stored between a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It has a standard expiry of 3 years. This kit contains total protein reagent of 5 into 6 ml. So this is the side view of the kit, and this is the front and the top view of it. It is an Excel system pack, and this is the other side of it. You can find the manufacturing address here. So this is the top and the back side of the kit. And guys, to sum it up, this is the Erba Mannheim's Excel system pack of total protein. The catalog number for it is 121174. This is the standard 5 into 6 ml pack, and it is C certified. It needs to be stored between a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is the expiry of the kit, 3-year standard expiry, and the kit contains one reagent of total protein reagent 5 into 6 ml. So this is the kit, guys. Thank you.